Go home happy with the 2024 Hyundai Kona. Every drive is fun and fresh in this agile and versatile Kona. This subcompact crossover SUV prioritizes enjoyment thanks to easy touchscreen infotainment, tech-savvy amenities, a comfortable cabin, and spirited handling. What's more, its advanced safety features give you the confidence to relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, keyless start, premium sound system, heated mirrors. Practical versatility meets breakout fun in this high-spirited Kona. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.